Hi, and welcome back to AP Music Theory. This is Music Impossible, and I'm Professor Jim. This is a little tag to Lesson 5, and two little things I wanted to cover that we didn't do in the last video, and that is the idea of common time and cut time. Let's take a look at these two time signatures here. If we look at common time and cut time, we see that's just the letter C. C for common time, and that just simply means 4/4. 4/4 is the most common time signature. So when we see a C in the time signature spot, that just stands for common time. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Nothing else changes. It's still considered a simple quadruple meter, so nothing else really changes with that. Then we have cut time, and cut time, I like to think of cut time of cutting everything in half that is 4/4. So if you're in 4/4 time, you split it all in half. Instead of having 4 beats per measure, you have 2. Half note is the same as a quarter note, and an eighth note is the same as a 16th note, and so forth. You cut everything in half. And usually that's because the tempo is so fast in 4/4 time, it's not practical to conduct it in 4/4 time or to count to 4 as the instrumentalist trying to perform these pieces. Oftentimes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just can't conduct that fast or think that fast. And so you want to sort of have everything. And instead of thinking of it in 4, we're going to think of it in 2. What? Da, 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 da. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. And so usually cut time is conducted in 2. It has a 2 feel. It feels like it's in almost like a 2/4 feel, but the rhythms don't dictate that. And so that's what the symbol looks like here. It's a common time symbol with a line cut right down the middle of it. But to demo that, just so you get a sense of what that looks like in real life, so to speak, we're going to go over to YouTube land once again. And we're going to take a look at a John Phillips Sousa March, Stars and Stripes Forever. Now it's kind of a small score, but you see the whole score there, and you can see the cut time symbol is there at the beginning. And if you look at the rhythm there, you see it looks like just straightforward 4/4 time stuff. But look how fast this goes by. Take a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really fast to count, 4 beats every bar. Or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, da, 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 da. So it kind of feels like you're in 2/4 time. It's really 2/2 time if you want to think of it that way. So cut time is just taking 4/4 time and thinking of it in half. Think of it as half, cutting 4s in half to make 2 2s, 2/2 time, if you will. All right, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in Lesson 6.